Hi everybody, it's Aidan from Just Car Care, and today we have a little bit of a special video for you. We have the Polo GTI, which is owned by Troy. Troy is one of our customers that won one of our competitions for a ceramic coating for him to apply to either his vehicle or a friend's. After chatting with him, he basically said that, not too sure on how to apply it. So we said, we'll invite you down for the weekend, show you exactly how to actually apply the ceramic coating, how to prep the vehicle, and exactly how to go on with your detailing process. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to get the car all prepared. We're going to show them through the decontamination process, all of the clay barring, all of the iron contamination, and the tar and glue as well. From there, we're going to do a full polish on the full vehicle. We're going to show them exactly how to lay down the ceramic coating, and we're going to take you through the whole process from start to finish. So with Troy's car, we are doing the enhancement detail, which is a paint correction. So essentially what that is we are correcting the paintwork on the car to help basically revitalize and improve the look of the vehicle. But there's a massive, massive, massive misconception with paint correction. Now, if you've got a scratch on your car and you polish it out by hand, then that is paint correction. You are correcting the surface on the car. But it's not about getting every scratch out. It's not about getting every swirl mark out. It's not about taking every single thing out of the paint. What it's about is about improving what you've got. Now, in some cases, we as detailers, we love to remove every single thing out of the paint and get the perfect finish, but it's just not right for the paint. So you've got to make sure that you are doing it correctly. You've got to make sure that you're not going to be detrimental to the clear coat, and definitely getting the best finish, the time that you've got, and the amount of money somebody wants to spend. So this is Troy with his Polo GTI in for the first day in the day at Just Car Care. So thank you so much for coming down. Really appreciate you coming. I know it's been 2 days of quite a lot of hard graft, but thank you for coming down. If you don't mind, for everybody at home, if you could introduce yourself.
Yeah, so I'm Troy. This is my Polo I've had since October of last year. I am a mechanic in Durham, work for Seat. And yeah, so hence why Seat, Volkswagen, got a massive love for them. So
massive love for them. So what cars have you had in the past? Have you had any other Polos?
So my first car was a Corsa. It was blue. It was a Corsa D, pre-facelift, disgusting. Did the usual mods. Everything was blacked out, Asbo exhaust. I sold that and I bought a grey Polo, £700. Bought some chrome wheels. They were horrible. Cut the springs, it was on the floor. I drove that around for a couple of years, smashed that in, and then I bought a TT. I thought I'd grow up, get myself a nice big Audi, but there's just something about big Audis, it's not fun to throw around the corner. You can't exactly go and smash a big heavy car in. So I thought, what can I get? Polo GTI, nice engine. So bought this October last year, and it's now we're getting and fixed, and it's looking as good as ever.
This is looking good. So you've gone back to the Polo, which is great.
Gone back to Polo.
A fantastic little car, and by the sounds of it, you do have quite a lot of fun in it. From the stories you've been telling us over the last couple of years, it's been great to hear them, I must admit. So obviously you've had this since October. What have you done to it so far? What changes have you made?
The first thing I did, I bought the car. It came with black, like anthracite wheels on. I don't like that colour, so I got the old wheels refurbed in silver. And I lowered it slightly, made it just nice as it should have looked from the factory. And then I started going for some power mods, so get the decat, air filter, got a remap and a few other things like a recirc, make it sound nice. Got it remapped with the overrun, as you do on every GTI, shoots flames. So it's 216 brake, but it only weighs a ton, so it's like a go-kart, you best believe. So that's what it's done, and I've seen some nice wheels come up on eBay, got in with the bids, just put them on. Apart from that, everything's more or less standard. Interior-wise, I've just got rear seat delete, nice bit of leather, make it look just a little more race car spec.
Exaggerating the go-kart spec.
Exaggerate the go-kart spec, make it look a little bit faster than it is, but that's as it stands now.
Perfect. And have you got any plans for it in the future? Have you got any changes that you're going to make? What are you going to do from now? Obviously, change the wheels. What have you got from now?
So at the minute, I'm eyeing up some new racing seats. Give it again more race car spec. It'll probably never see a track, but I want it ideally as a track going car, but just stupidly low chrome wheels. So it'll be track car / chrome and stance, all that gear.
Show car / stance car.
That's the one.
Awesome.
Racing steering wheel. Then eventually I want to get a roll cage. Get a net in the back and just make a proper track car. Again, stupidly low chrome wheels. How I like it.
Well, fingers crossed you never have to use the roll cage. But thank you so much for coming down. Really appreciate it.
I appreciate you having me. It's been awesome.
That you enjoy the car from now on.
Yeah, no, it looks awesome. Well done.
Thank you.